7.6 billion souls on planet Earth. We gasp for air through a hierarchy we call the government, created to benefit people based on social worth. We live in a world governed by the cops, who kill seed but demand crops. We shoot innocent people in our streets based on the color of their skin. We keep the oppressed in silence because we know their ideas will win. We fight back and move nothing. They say eyes down, lie down, morals fall back to the ground. It's just Mother Earth singing her song. They say you won't be long, it won't be long before it's clear who's in charge. It's a system created to break and stain hearts, where white is priority, uplifted by authority, nurtured by oppressing the minority majority. We can't tie the laces of these governmental racists. They in charge of upholding the system they play with. Single mamas scrape by with almost nothing to pay with, and they still don't even get an equivalent pay lift, so we fight back and move nothing. She's 7 billion souls so she can move something. She gets sick of this rough social terrain. She an art piece wrecked by her creator's bloodstain. She is polluted from ideas' human brain. She fights back to move something.